Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Scalable Management of Low-Code Artifact workshop. This is a workshop organized in the context of the Locomode project. I'm Davide Di Ruscio. I'm from the University of L'Aquila, and I'm going to make an introduction about the workshop that we have organized for today. So just to set the context. So the context is about low-code development platforms. According to the definition that we can find in Wikipedia, a low-code development platform is a platform that provides a development environment that is used to create software applications by means of graphical user interfaces and also configurations instead of traditional hand-coded computer programming. And the first use of the term low-code can be traced back to the market analysis from Forrester in 2014. In that report, low-code, we find this definition as low-code development platforms are defined as platforms that enable rapid delivery of business applications with the minimum of hand coding and minimal upfront investment in setup, training, and deployment. So what are we can identify at least two pushing factors around low-code. On one hand, we have, according to a recent analysis survey, we have that there's going to be an increasing demand for software developers in Europe, a demand for 10 million of developers in 2020 is forecasted, with an annual increase of 1.7%. On the other hand, we are going to have a shortage of developers in Europe. According to the same report, it will gradually increase this shortage of developers to reach over 600,000 units in 2025. And in 2016, Gartner predicted the market increase for companies developing low-code platforms to over $21 billion over the next 4 years. And if we look at also Google Trends and we search for low-code development platform, we see that there is an increasing trend around this topic. And also, if we have a look at G2, which is a kind of platform for identifying or searching for software platforms, we see that there are more than 150 low-code development platforms, and there are also big players that are investing and providing their low-code development platform solutions. So the citizen developers are the main target of this platform. Let's say that citizen developers are users that do not have a strong programming skills, but still have the need of developing some kind of software. And this is why we have two main aspects. So on one hand, we are talking about cloud-based development platforms that avoid, intricacies related to the configurations or deployment issues. On the other hand, such platforms provide graphical languages, drag and drop facilities, easy forms to be created, configurations. So in order to make the creation cycle for applications faster. So that's the context, and the workshop that has been organized today, as I was saying at the beginning, has been organized in the context of the EU Low-Code project, which is an EU innovative training network on low-code. This project started in 2019 and the duration is 4 years. This project involved 14 partners across Europe, 5 academics and academic partners and 9 industrial partners. And the goal is training 15 PhD students that, with potential to become the leaders of tomorrow engineering of low-code development platforms. And such PhD students are going to work on 3 main enabling technologies: model-driven engineering, cloud computing, and machine learning. And the final goal is develop components for low-code engineering platforms, and the focus is on scalability. And that's why we have organized this workshop today. I would like also to take the opportunity to do some advertisement of this theme issue on modeling in low-code development platforms. This is a Southern theme issue, so you have time for submit your intent to submit by June 1st, and then the deadline for paper submission is July 1st, and we plan to send back the notification by 21st of September. But if you want to know more and you want to get more information about this theme issue, there is there are these you can write to the guest editors, and you have the email address here. So today's workshop, we have invited, and we have the pleasure to have academic and industrial projects that will be presented today related to the scalable management of modeling artifacts. We'll have speakers from industry and academia. In particular, we have a talk from Boeing, Eclipse, Inquiry, NASA, JPL, Softeam Software, and these are from the industrial partners. Concerning the academia partner, we'll have representatives from ECEO, University of L'Aquila, and University of Leicester. Concerning the agenda, we have a morning and the afternoon session. In the morning, we'll have a first presentation from CTO. Then we have a presentation about MD Forge. Then we have a presentation about the Eclipse Hook project. And then we have also a presentation delivered by Alessandra Bagnatori about Modelio and Softeam. In the afternoon, we will have a presentation from Ako Shorbat about Viatra and about the reactive model processing capabilities provided by Viatra. Then we'll have a presentation from Arthur Borona about Yamato. And then we'll have a presentation about the extending declarative ATL project in order to provide some incrementality and constraints management, and this is going to be presented by Frederic Jouot and Theo Le Calvar. And the last presentation is going to be delivered by Myra and Lucas about OpenMBE project and how it is has been applied in different projects, including a project from Boeing. So that's all, and looking forward to looking at all different presentations and talks.